Disney sent me a 75-pound box. Let's see what's inside. 75 pounds, like, what could this even be? You guys, it's a claw machine. We're gonna open it, but I'm a tidy person, so I gotta put this stuff away. Okay, I have to be careful. My floor is real wood. I do not wanna scratch it or I'll get in trouble. Tidy person being a tidy person. The key is to lift from your legs. That was not really with my legs. First, let's take a look at this beauty because he is gorgeous. Okay, just arranging this so everybody can see what I'm doing. But now I have no idea how to operate him because there's supposed to be like a cord, but I can't find it. Oh, look, there are little coins in here. Okay, so maybe I can put these in there. You guys, I think this is literally it. It fit. Are we in business? Are the lights? Oh! Stop, the little claw's like going. Do you hear it? It says left, right, error. What? I kid you not. The machine, the claw machine is not working and it's saying left and right error. But we gotta get these things out because I wanna know what's inside these. You all are literally gonna scream, like I know it, you're gonna scream. Oh no. Yay, I got it. I did it. None of you laugh. No one's allowed to laugh. None of you laugh. Okay. Let's see. We got, X-Men 97 socks and a bunch of stickers, including Storm. Look at that. Look at that. What do people do? Wait, no, they're magnets. No, this one's a magnet. Okay, that one's a magnet. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, I got another one. Okay, so this one is, it's Agatha. Only took me a second. And I don't know if that's like a sticker or a decal. I got a pin, check that out. Look at that, that's fun. Oh, little keychain. We love Agatha All Along. If you haven't been watching, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, I got another thing. All right, this one is Bluey. Oh my gosh, so cute. I've only watched the show a few times, so I have no idea who this is. Clearly not Bluey, Bluey's friend. It's a little gift, but Bluey's all the rage, y'all. Speaking of blue ball, let's see what's in here. What's in here? We got, the Wizards Beyond Waverly Place. Check that out. Magnet, I love magnets because I'm gonna put them in my cabinet. We got National Geographic, Descendants Rise of Red, Doctor Who, which I actually haven't seen, so you all can scold me later. Cute Little Mermaid, I met her at D23. We have, the Russo family lair, that's awesome. Got a little Percy Jackson Camp Half-Blood wristlet thing. Maybe I should put this on now. A Disney Plus pin. I think I got this exact same one at D23. And another pin, this one is National Geographic. Every influencer makes these noises too, right? I'm so good at this game. All right, this one, sorry. What do we have? Stickers, okay. The Melon Collective. Oh, okay, I thought it had like a scent, but no, it's just stickery smelling. Different moods I can put. How are you feeling today? I am feeling safe. Okay, let's see where else. Oh, I see, because it's inside out too. She's so cute, Sadness. Okay, it says, what you feel is real. And I can feel hard things. We're complex creatures, aren't we? A little sadness. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her little face. And we got disgust. Disgust is a popular one, isn't she? Oh, look at her. And I think my personal favorite, even though we have kind of a love-hate relationship. Anxiety. Who doesn't know her as an adult? Oh no, I didn't get it that time. Okay, this one is a deck of cards for Agatha All Along. Are they specifically? Oh, they're just kind of generic. But how does it go? Down, 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 down the witch's road. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 I won another prize. I won another prize. It's a Disney Plus hat. Okay, I think you're done with that, right? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was violent. Cool. I could put on top of this hat. Could you imagine bringing 2 hats in as a trend? Hey guys, starting a new trend. 2 hats. Okay, we have this, which is another deck of cards for Percy Jackson and the Olympians, which I love, and I'm so excited. The 2nd season is coming back. Here we go. Inside Out 2. This debuts really soon on Disney Plus. Okay, we have one more capsule that we're gonna... What did you get? Another little... Okay, it's not coming. We have this... Oh, it's a fun fanny pack, a clear one. So I could take it with me to concerts and they can be like, this is acceptable because we can see through it. We don't have to worry that you're sneaking in things you shouldn't be, which I never would. All right, last one. Oh, can we get it? Oh. Okay, we got the last one. Oh, that satisfying sound. What is this? Oh, it's bluey, look. Okay, but don't go anywhere because I still have one more thing I gotta show you. A little charm bracelet. Look how cute that is. That's so fun. And then you got stickers and magnets and everything. So if you're like, David, what was all of that about? Well, all this stuff is falling out. Okay. Now, if you're like, David, what was all of this about? Well, right now, Disney Plus has an awesome offer, $1.99 per month. If you're a new or returning customer, you can get this deal for 3 months. And I think it's only good through September 27th. So definitely get on it. But right now, you can stream Inside Out 2. Agatha All Along is coming out every Wednesday night. There's so much to see. Now, I want to know if you have one Disney Plus show that you recommend. What is it?